How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another Far Cry 5 map editor tutorial video. In today's video, we're going to cover something pretty neat. So you know, when you're creating a map and you want to add a text element to the map, you typically go over to your generic shapes in the object menu, and then you go down to indestructible, you look for the letters and numbers, and you go ahead and you manually place these bad boy downs. You know, let's say you want to type down ABC like such, or you want to type out a word. You have to just try your best to do this organized, and then you want to kind of clean it up after the fact like such. And then typically what I would do is I will grab one, and then I will go over to the movement tool, and then I will align it to another one, and then grab these two, same thing. I would align those like that. That way they get the exact same so that they're level and straight with each other. And then I'll just grab these out, and then I'll look for whatever letter I need. So D-E. So there you go. Boom, dead. Awesome. That took forever. I think that takes way too long. And most of you probably agree with me. So I created a quick web app, and you can find the link to this website below, where all you have to do is put in your text and then copy it and paste it into the editor. The only requirement is to download Steve64B's Far Cry 5 editor mod, and you have to have the latest version for that to work, and I'm talking about the one that he released in February 29th. You get that version, you install it in your editor, you get that mod installed, and then you can do something like the brown gun does not belong to you, player one. You know, whatever you want to type down. Yeah, click copy, and then you go back to your editor, and you press Control V, and it'll pop up. Now the spacing is not perfect, but I think for what it is, it works pretty well. I haven't had any issues with it, and you can actually modify some of the spacing here. For example, you could do like spacing 4 if you want a little bit more spacing between each character. Click copy, and then you can paste it like that. So it also supports the bigger and medium size text, and you can just switch it like that back and forth. You can also change the line spacing. So let's say you want to have, you know, a bigger space between each line. Just bring that slider up, and boom, you can do that. So I think it's a very useful tool. I honestly made this because I found this process of creating text in the editor so frustrating that I just got annoyed. And once again, it's very simple. You just go to the address in the description below. It's fallen.ninja. That's all it is. And it'll show you this the screen here. Type in the text that you want in the input area below. Set the size, small, medium, or large. Set the desired spacing. Click copy, and then you can just paste it, and that's it. And once again, thanks Steve64B for making this editor mod, because without that I would not be able to create this pretty neat tool. And it's pretty quick. Of course, I'm going to see if I have to make any updates as far as the spacing goes. Sometimes some of the letters, for example, like on that first example I showed you guys over here, they're too close together, like the W and the O and the N right there. But other than that, it's a pretty useful tool. And if you guys find it useful, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to watch more. See you guys in the next one. Peace.